Hey, everybody. I wanted to share with you two of my favorite OPACs. The first one is the King County Library System, and one of the books that I looked up was Dear Martin by Nick Stone. It's a really great book. Um, so, a couple things that I really liked about Dear Martin is, or about, excuse me, the King County Library System OPAC, is it's really easy to navigate. The mark record is pretty clear. They've got lots of good information about the book throughout, lots of subject headings and summary, all sorts of things. The page also had, subject headings right here. It also had topical terms and ISBNs. A couple other things that I really liked about it was just, I think, the BiblioCommons, which is the platform for their catalog, that it gave opinions both from the librarians but also from the professional critics, which is important when selecting books. It also offered recommendations. So if you like this book, you might like these others. Again, it offered quite a few subject headings that you could look at. It offered other lists of books that you might look at if you enjoyed this title. So I thought that would be really good for a librarian to find other books like this. And the the catalog was pretty easy to find the books as well. So this one's pretty good. But and I think it would be the one that I would use when I go and start cataloging and also looking for additional books. But I think I also like that the reviews are right there, and then users can also review. The Mid-Columbia libraries, and this is like in the Tri-Cities area, I found probably though to be most useful for school librarians. A couple of reasons is they have a little bit additional information that I didn't see in the other OPACs. So a couple things that the Mid Columbia libraries had that the other OPACs didn't was the target audience and the notes, so that it's grade 9 up, what the Lexile is, ages and grades, and then they also had a note down here for accelerated reader. I don't know what this means, but it seems like it's grade 4.0, 6 points, something like that. But anyways, that might be useful information for a librarian to use when they're copy cataloging. And I just lost where. Oh, yeah. You do have to scroll all the way down to the bottom for the librarian's view. But the other thing that the Mid Columbia Library OPAC also included is you could read an excerpt from the book. There's a summary and author notes, and then it's also they have a much shorter recommended lists and articles from Novelist than the King County. But I also thought that this was interesting for users is, asking students, well, what kind of books do you like? Do you like issue-oriented books, thought-provoking books, character-driven? And so you can also search for books by how or why it appeals to the reader, which is something that I haven't seen before. So librarians, I guess, as a county, but it also has all the tags over here, summary notes, 521 tags to in the grade level, and lexile information. 526 for the accelerator information goes. I have to look up what that tag was. But I thought this would be good for secondary schools for those ideas. And they also have the piece as well. So Mid-Columbia Library is my ultimate choice. I do like the look of the King County Bibliocommons more.